What happened? Okay, my bad. We are going to show you if we. This is without the node, the answer, and this is what we are going to do after adding it. Keep in mind, this is the surface we're working with. It is already so freaking cool, but let's add the plugin. So we start playing it by giving it a vibe. I wanted to give it old vintage Pakistani, and my go-to is mostly Sign Still 50D or Cine Still 800D. I feel like 50D is speaking a lot about what we're going to do this. And this pull and push is all about this. So it's about the temperature. I'm going to mute it if you may. Now moving forward, film developer. We are going to develop it as a film. I'm going to color boost a bit because it was kind of washed out. I like to compress. This is before compression. You can see the graph. So this is after compression. So they compress the film basically. And this is how the black point disappears. If you know the basics, you know this. On print, I always go for Kodak Enduro glossy paper because we love it. And then you know, trash it all. Maybe we won't need this one. We'll see. But it is looking good. It is giving Shua magazine. And I love the emitter, but I won't be using it right now. On color head, we can change the color from yellow to blue. I'm going to keep it yellow, then pink, then a bit volume. I'm going for Shua look. This is the film grain. I go for ISO 250. See, you can see the grains here. Then I love halation. Okay, judge me as much you want. I love halation. Okay, let's see. Before this is the mask mode. Okay, no remjet. Okay, you go for 16 or ramjet, then in disable. Okay, see, you see the red eye. I love that. I freaking love that. Yes to the film damage and analog limiter, and we're going for super 16. Okay, see this partly sparkly, the tissue thingy. This is what we're going for.